once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to make just a really quick roast chicken. As you can see, I've got an oven dish. I'm using glass, you could be using ceramic or you could be using metal. And I've got some chicken parts in there, cut up, into smaller pieces. We're just going to season this up, pop it in the oven, it's done. I've had quite a few emails about this. So what I want to do is get some black pepper on there. I'm using a nice kind of coarse grain or coarse ground. Here I've got some dried thyme. Now think about, putting some rosemary in here, some oregano, basil, cumin. You can kind of take it in any direction you want. I'm going to add here some paprika. And with paprika, be careful because there's generally 3 types of paprika. Sweet paprika, which is what I'm using right here. Hot paprika, which is basically chili powder. And then smoked paprika, which is delicious. To that, I'm going to grab a big handful here of garlic, whole garlic. That's beautiful in there, that is. I'm actually going to put a bit more. They roast really nicely. And once they're roasted, you can just pick them up and eat them, and they're not, they've lost all that really intense flavour. Just got a really lovely sweet flavour to them. Some sliced onions. I'm going to get in some olive oil. I'm just going to grab some salt right now to go into the mix. But yeah, you can be doing anything you want here on this. So let me just grab a spoon here. Just give that a little mix around. Yeah, maybe some dried chilies in there. You could even be putting a few potatoes in there if you wanted, or some carrots, nice chunky bits that will kind of cook in the same kind of time as the chicken will. And simply we're going to get this into a preheated oven. Now, as I always say, all ovens are really different. So my oven is just going to go in about 250, 260, and it's going to cook for, I think, this is going to be like 35, 40 minutes. That's it, job done. Okay, there you go, just really, really simple. Chuck it in, nice bit of quality olive oil, some onions, like I say, garlic, play around with the spices, do what you want. Bam, it's done. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.